Framer preview not working? Yeah, that's super frustrating, especially when you just want to quickly test your site. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to fix it fast. All right, first, try refreshing the preview. I mean, sometimes it's just a temporary glitch. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. Yeah, preview won't load properly if your connection is slow or unstable. Now, reload your entire project. Uh, this can fix bugs that stop the preview from opening. Okay? Clear your browser cache and cookies. I mean, old data can break the preview feature. Also, disable browser extensions, especially ad blockers. Yeah, some extensions can block preview scripts. Next, check your project for errors. Broken components or missing elements can stop preview from working. If it's still not working, try another browser or device. This helps rule out compatibility issues. And yeah, log out of Framer and log back in. Sometimes it's just a session issue. Last thing, try duplicating your project and open the preview again. I mean, this can fix weird bugs instantly. So yeah, that's how you fix Framer preview not working. One of these should get your preview back instantly. If this helped, drop a like and I'll see you in the next one.